In previous videos, we covered the basic terms in computer networking and two types of signals, analog and digital, as well as various wired and wireless media. If you would like to get more information on those topics, please refer back to my previous videos. Now we want to put these elements together and form a local area network. In this chapter, we are going to go over the wired LAN, and in the next chapter, we will cover wireless LAN or Wi-Fi. In this chapter, first we will be familiar with the definition of a LAN and then discuss its functions and application areas. Next is the advantages and disadvantages of using a LAN. Following that, we will cover the networking topologies. And finally, medium access control protocols and common LAN systems are going to be covered. A local area network is a communication network that interconnects different nodes such as workstations that run user applications and data communication devices such as hub and switches in a small geographical area and broadcast data at high transfer rate. The coverage area of a LAN is roughly defined as 2 square miles, but it is possible to have larger LANs with better cables such as fiber optic and devices such as repeaters. It has been around since the early 1970s when the first LAN came to the market. LANs are typically owned privately and therefore a consistent policy in terms of security, protocol, user access, and other parameters are defined over a LAN. The primary function of a LAN is to share hardware and software resources such as file servers, print servers, databases, as well as access to the internet. In a client-server architecture, client machines connect to the server through a LAN. This picture shows interconnection between a local area network and the internet. Internal devices of a LAN are usually connected via a switch or hub, but whenever nodes need to communicate over the internet, their packets must go through a router. This architecture allows businesses to form their needed information systems. For example, a car manufacturing company supplies its parts from suppliers through a supply chain management system. This architecture allows the manufacturing company to connect to the supplier to send a purchasing order and receive their confirmation. So, advantages of using a LAN in business and organizations include ability to share hardware and software resources. Individual workstations might survive network failure. Component and system evolution is possible. Support for heterogeneous forms of hardware and software. Access to other LANs and WANs. Private ownership and secure data transmission at high speed with low error rates. But disadvantages: equipment and support can be costly. To support a LAN, specialized staff with proper training is needed, which raises the cost of maintenance. Some type of hardware may not interoperate, and LAN is only as strong as its weakest link. For example, if a switch that connects 50 users breaks down, the entire LAN will shut down and all 50 users will be disconnected.